Hi, want to know how to speed up your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then find this tab which is named apps. Here is it how it looks. Open it, and here on this tab you would be able to find a full list with all of the applications that are installed on your phone. Here it will be really great if you will delete all of the applications that you don't need or don't use. And if you have found application that you don't use and you can delete it, here we would need to click on this button which is saying force stop. After this application will stop taking some CPU on your phone, and after this your phone will speed up. So next thing that we would need to do, that's to scroll down on the settings tab, and here go to this tab named about phone. Then open this tab which is named software information, and here click on the build number 7 times until you'll get a notification which is saying that you have now available developer options. Because I have already activated this, I don't need to do it anymore. So after this we would need to go back to our main settings list and then open the developer options. As a next step, here we would need to click on this search icon and enter here word animation. After this, here on the tab which is named developer options, we would need to choose this option which is named animated duration scale. Go right there, wait until it will be found, and then click on it. Here we would need to switch it to animation off. After this, all of the animations will disappear from your phone, and the lags or just your phone being slow problem should disappear. Also, next thing that we can do here, that's to open the window animation scale and also disable this feature. So here we click animation off, then we go back, then we go to transition animation scale, and here we would need to also disable this feature. This is it. Next thing that we can do here, that's to again go back and here remove the word animation. Here we would need to enter this word which is named background, and here on the tab with developer options we would need to find the background process limit. Here when the setting will be found, we would need to click on it and here choose at most 3 processes, because if too many processes are happening at the background, they are of course taking the CPU and slowing down your phone. And this is it. After this your phone should be working faster and without lags. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.